True.
And maybe what also sometimes I dislike is like when people see me, I'm white, they always think that, you know, maybe he's rich or whatever. But me, I'm also just a middle class person, normal person.
Yeah.
So sometimes they expect me to do, I don't know, give them a lot of money or whatever. And then this is something I don't like too much. It's been a long process for me to find out how to meet people that I can trust and rely on.
Oh, have you ever been? Hey guys, so I am at Millie's backyard, Big Millie's backyard, which is found in Kokobite. So at the moment I'm waiting for Timothy to come. Timothy is my friend from Germany. I met from Instagram. Well, most of my friends are from Instagram, honestly, so it would be nice to ask him about how he's enjoying his stay in Ghana and things about Ghana in general, you know, a foreigner living in Ghana. So I'm just chilling, waiting for him, and I think I'll take you around to see Big Millie's backyard. If you watch my cinematic video, I did a Kokobite outside Big Millie's backyard, and I'll just go there for a quick tour to show you, and then we'll be back again. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into this video, and if you're new here, my name is Simply Pimpa, and please subscribe. So Timothy is finally here. Hi Timothy.
Hello everybody.
Yeah, so I told my subscribers we met on Instagram.
Correct.
Yes, and he's finally in Ghana, and I decided to do a video with him to ask him how his Ghanaian experience is going. So Timothy, how long have you been in Ghana?
I think in total it's like 12 months now, but I came in 2019. Now I just came like 2 weeks ago.
So you've been in Ghana for 2 weeks?
Yes, correct.
Okay, and how is your experience so far?
Oh, it's good, as always.
As always?
Yes.
What's good about Ghana?
Okay, so the first reason I come to Ghana is for the surfing. Most places in this world nowadays, they're very busy, like the surfing places, it's crowded. So sometimes it's stressful in the water, but here in Ghana it's very chilled. Like the people are chilled, the local surfers are chilled. The water is warm, which is also very nice, because in some places like Europe, the water is cold and you always freeze. So yeah, I appreciate that a lot.
Okay, wait, what country are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Okay, you're from Germany, and you came all the way to Ghana because you love surfing here.
Yes, correct.
Okay, what other reason do you have?
Okay, so in the first place, I came to Ghana because my best friend, he's married to a Ghanaian.
Okay.
Yes, and that was 2018, I think. I just followed them along because she still has, like, the wife has family in Ghana, and I just followed them. I did some research and I found out that there's waves and surfers here. So I was like, okay, let's follow them, see her family, meet the family, but also come here and enjoy, go surfing, travel the coast. Yes.
Okay. What can you say about Ghanaian people?
Ghanaian people, well, they're very friendly. Then I think they are very happy people compared to some, let's say, to Europe. not everywhere, but yeah, very open people. Like you can talk to anyone on the street, and it's always nice.
Okay, well, let me ask you this question: what about Ghana do you dislike?
dislike.
Or you don't like about Ghana? Because I think there's always a good side and a bad side.
Mm-hmm.
So what bad side have you seen in Ghana that you think we can work upon?
Oh, I mean, when you come to Ghana, you see a lot of nice things, but the longer you stay, you also see more and more of the downsides and the negative sides.
Okay.
Still, I feel like some of the problems
Okay.
are problems that we have in many places in the world, even in Europe, but it's just more obvious here. So some of the problems, like poverty, it's also existing on a different level, but in Germany, for example, in a different level, but you don't see it a lot. It's kind of hidden sometimes. And yeah, here it's very obvious. You have very rich people, you have very poor people,
And middle class people.
and middle class. Yeah, I guess here in Accra mostly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
true.
And
true.
maybe what also sometimes I dislike is like when people see me, I'm white, they always think that, you know, maybe he's rich or whatever. But me, I'm also just a middle class person, normal person.
Yeah.
So sometimes they expect me to do, I don't know, give them a lot of money or whatever. And then this is something I don't like too much.
Yeah, and some do try and take advantage of you.
Exactly.
Okay. So
It's been a long process for me to find out how to meet people that I can trust and rely on.
oh, have you ever been like robbed or something like that in Ghana? No.
No, nothing yet. Luckily, I've never been robbed or threatened so far. And that's also something I really like about Ghana. It's kind of peaceful.
Okay. So are you mainly based in Accra?
Well, when I'm in Accra, I'm staying here in Kokobite because that's where the surf community is. And I'm still close to Accra where I can meet friends and also the family of my friend's wife. But then mostly I go to Busia in the western region. That's like the number one spot for surfing.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Do you plan on like inviting your family from Germany to visit?
Oh, that already
Ghana?
happened.
Oh.
Yes, like 2 years ago, my dad came. He was visiting for 2 weeks, and it was a great time.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So I guess you're telling people about Ghana and how amazing.
Yes. I think more people will come. Friends will visit. This year, my mom was also saying something that maybe she'll come.
Okay.
So let's see.
Okay, that's wonderful. Do you have like a favorite region in Ghana?
Well,
so far?
the favorite region, it has to be on the beach.
Okay, which one? Busia or?
I would say Busia, yes, because it's a very natural place. You have like there's no trash. This is, I think, one of the big problems here, but I guess everyone knows that. There's a lot of trash, especially when the rain comes, then all the trash from the gutters comes into the sea. So, but in Busia it's different. Like you have the jungle and you have clean water.
So guys, wow. So we've heard from Timothy. Surprisingly, I have a lot of friends I met from Instagram. Most of my friends I do videos with and stuff like that are from Instagram. Instagram is actually a place you can really meet cool people. So I met Timothy today and he shared his Ghanaian experience with us. Please share. If you know cool places, maybe would you want to discover new places to hang out, chill?
Oh, I'm always up for that.
Yes. So Timothy is up for finding new places to discover. You can comment in the comment section where he can get good food, where he can hang out.